Welcome again and welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we will see how to create templates for each page of the website. First of all, we will go to the code editor Visual Studio Code and we will change about.html, rename it to template about.php template about.php, and after that we will delete the header. We will go to header in here, we will delete it. After that we will open a new PHP tag and we will type get underscore header semi-comma, and we will make the same thing for the footer. Footer start here, we will delete all the footer from here and we will type a PHP tag, and this time we will type get underscore footer semi-comma. With that we are good to go. Just we will add a command on the header just here. Just we will add a command here. We will type template name 2 point, and after that we will type template about. Very nice. We will make the same steps for contact.html and services.html and gallery.html. We'll copy just this, copy it, we will go to contact and we will rename it as template contact.php and we will delete the header. We will paste the template name, template about, this time template contact. Just here we will delete the footer. We will begin a PHP statement and we will type get underscore footer without any argument, and we are good to go. Same thing for the services.html. We will rename it also to template services php.php, and we will delete all of that also. We replace it with template name, template services, and we will delete the footer very quickly, PHP, and we will type get underscore footer without any problem. We save, and last but not least we will change the gallery, rename it to template gallery.php, delete also the header, replace it with gallery, and we will delete the footer and replace it with PHP get underscore footer, semi-comma, save. Very nice. With that we are good to go. We'll now go to our dashboard and we will go to pages, add a new page. This time we will create a page. This page will be called about page, about, and we will choose template, which is template about. We hit publish. Very nice. We will create also we go to dashboard again and we will create a new page called this time contact. We choose template as contact, hit publish, and we will create a new page called gallery, and we will choose the template which is gallery and hit publish, and we will go and add a new page called this time services, and we will hit services, we'll hit publish and publish. Very nice. Close all of that, just hit refresh here. We delete this draft, trash, and by now we will go to our code editor again and we will change this page index.php to rename it to template home.php. Okay, get header, just here we will replace it with template about template home. Very nice. And now with that we are good to go. We will just add a new page called home, and this page we will choose hit publish, and we will go again to our dashboard and we will edit this page. Permalink, discussion, page attribute. We will create a new page called index.php. We go here and copy all of that. I'll copy all of that and paste it just here, and without this comment. Hit save, and with that we are go to edit the home page. Default template, we will choose the home page and we hit update, and with that we are good to go, and we will go to our menu, appearance menu, and we will create a menu home, about, services, custom link. We will remove it, we'll go put home. It is home, about, service, gallery, contact, create. This menu will be main menu, and we will go to create this menu. Very nice. We'll set it as a primary menu, and we will go to our website. Home, about, services, gallery, and contact. Very nice. Very nice. With that, we have finished our lesson, and we will go furthermore with the next videos. See you and goodbye.